Hello and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna be showing you 10 makeup brushes and how to use them. So these will be the 10 must-have makeup brushes in your makeup bag. So there's so much makeup brushes out there at the moment and you probably know how to use 2 or 3 of them. So let me show you how to use which brush for what, and yeah, but it doesn't mean that you can't use those brushes for other reasons if it suits you, if you like to use them like that. So I'm not gonna stop you. I'm using a couple of brushes which purpose are for different reasons, but I found it to work really well for my foundation, for example. So yeah, so this is gonna be like a beginner's guide to makeup brushes. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So the first must-have makeup brush will be the foundation brush, which looks like this. So this foundation brush have tightly packed bristles to help achieve a smooth, non-sticky finish. So you can apply the foundation straight on a brush or put it on your face and then just spread it all over your face using the brush, however you prefer. There is other brushes which you can use for the foundation, but I'm gonna get to it. This is gonna be the everyday foundation brush. So the second one is gonna be the powder brush. And the powder brush is one of the largest makeup brushes and has a wide variety of purposes. So it is really rounded, soft and full. So you just put the brush into your powder product, get rid of any excess and apply using the circular motion. And if you're a big fan of bronzer, this brush is a must-have in your makeup bag. It is so amazing to apply the bronzer as it covers such a big area on your face. So yeah. And the third one is gonna be the stippling brush, which looks like this. And the stippling brush or dual fiber brush is also a multi-purpose brush, mostly used for liquid foundations. I'm using this kind of brush for my foundation as well. You can use it for the blush or bronzer as well. This is my all-the-time favorite foundation brush. I'm all the time using for foundation. I don't find the foundation brush as good as the stippling brush, as this one is covering, I feel like it's covering a bigger area on my face and it's just much softer and yeah, puffier, easier. So yeah, I really like this one for my foundation. Plus I love that it is kind of like for a layering as well, so it doesn't remove any of the foundation or any liquid on your face which was already applied. So that's a big thumbs up for this brush. Further, we are gonna go to the brush number 4, and that will be a concealer brush, which looks like this. You can use this brush to gently pat on your concealer so it would look smooth and have a flawless coverage. So it is really small brush, and it's mostly used for your under eye, to put the concealer under your eye and just tap it all in. It is a really small brush, and if you really like a full coverage under your eye to put on really a lot of concealer, you probably won't be using this brush, but this brush is for the concealer. Then moving on to the brush number 5, and that is gonna be a blusher brush. Blusher brush. A blusher brush is used for applying your blush product. It is mostly with soft fiber and rounded head, ideal to apply a powder blush on your face, any powder product. So this brush is really soft, it has a round head, so it's perfect to apply your blush. And don't forget to smile when applying your blush. Now to the brush number 6, and that is a contour brush, which looks like this. It has slanted bristles, which intended to mimic the angle of your cheekbone. So you can see it kind of goes down a bit. So it is ideal for shading, contouring, highlighting or illuminating powder. So I like to use this brush as a contour or to apply my setting powders just underneath my eye, as I found it goes really easily into your eye, as this one is kind of like pointing out and then this one can cover your cheek, but that's how I use it. It's a really easy usable brush. Now I combine this brush 7 and brush 8 as they both are gonna be for your eyeshadows. The first one is called Eye Base Brush, which looks like this. The eye base brush is used to set your eyelid entirely. It's wide and flat. So I don't know how to show you, like, so it's really wide and then it goes like really flat as well, and this allows really smooth application on your eyelid and it covers all your lid. And then going to the angled eyeshadow brush, which looks like this, and this brush is used to create hard lines along the eyelid crease, and it basically paying attention to small details, and it is really kind of like small detailed brush, you can call it as well, I guess. Some people use it for your eyebrows, some people use it for the eyeliner, whatever works for you. So it is kind of multitasking. I like to use this one if I want to do like a little detail on my crease. So if I do a cut crease, I really like to use this one to put on some shimmer or some color in the lines. So yeah, that is really good for that one. Also really good eyeshadow brush. And then going to the brush number 9, which is the smudger brush, and it looks like this. So it's really puffy. Smudger brush is ideal for softening hard lines and creating a smoky look. These kind of dome-shaped bristles are perfect to get in that crease, and it's must-have for creating a smoky eye look. So if you're a girl who loves smoky eye look, you need to have this brush with you. It's really, really nice just to go around and smoother and smoky that eye look. So the brush number 10, I definitely need to include my must-have brush, which is lip brush. It looks just like this. So the lip brush is perfect on creating that perfect line when you don't have a lip liner next to you or in the right color as your chosen lip color. So the sculpted tip allows you to apply a lining on the lip, and a firm bristles gives a full coverage. So yeah, if you have this brush, you don't need a lip liner in every single color as your lip shades are, because you can use this one as a little help to create a perfect line and to not make it smudge everywhere. So that's why I think this brush is a must-have in your bag as well. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really know the struggle of knowing which makeup brush is for what, so I really hope this video helped you even a little bit. And if you did like this video, please press that huge thumbs up button down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well before you leave. You can follow me on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, they're all gonna be linked down below. If you want to see how I done a makeup for a hooded eyes, the video is gonna be just up there, or if you want to see how I done a natural makeup look, the video is gonna be just there. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!